I'm going to start with entering a new quote into the system. So on this page, you're going to want to put a first and last name. You don't need to include the phone number, and you want to put the location, address, zip code of the property you would like to insure. And from this drop-down menu, you would choose your line of business, and then hit continue. So the quoting on this page is going to look similar to the quick quote that we currently have on Windsor's website for the dwelling fire program. The first information right up here is for the policyholder. Even though there are asterisks next to street number and street, you do not have to fill these in on the quote. You can skip over that. But you will have to enter an address down here for the actual location itself. And then from this drop-down menu, you'll choose the program that you would like to be quoted under, your form, and you can either tab through these or you can use your mouse, whichever you feel more comfortable with. And then you want to make sure that you fill out everything that has an asterisk next to it. And then all of this is going to look similar. It's going to ask you your deductible, your coverage limits, the liability limits you would like to include. And then the last step down at the bottom is any optional coverages that you would like to include on your quote. And then you'll come back up here and hit rate. And I don't know if anybody noticed, but I did choose a zip code that requires a wind-hail deductible, but I did not place a wind-hail deductible in my quote. The system is smart enough to know that that territory requires a wind-hail deductible. And if you go down to that section, it puts the minimum requirement in there for you. And then up here you'll have your premium amount for that. If you want to make any changes, you will get a message that informs you that if you change it, the rates will be affected. And as you can see, the new premium with the HO2 did go down. From here, you can view your quote. You would hit the print button. And you'll get a copy of the quote. And in red, you'll see the amount for the wind-hail deductible so that the insured and agent knows precisely the amount for that deductible. Also, if you have any optional coverages, it will tell you the premium amount individually next to that particular coverage.